In this video, we listed the 5 best electric tea kettles. For the price, and the other details, links available in the description.
COSORI's electric glass kettle is the perfect addition to your kitchen, so you can easily cook up something warm in the morning. The glass kettle gives you boiling water at the flip of a switch. The blue LED indicator light turns on when the water is boiling. It only takes 3 to 7 minutes to boil your water in the glass kettle, depending on how full it is. The British Strix thermostat technology adds more safety measures to the kettle, so your water boils quickly and safely. Boil dry protection turns off the kettle when it's empty, and it automatically turns off 30 seconds after it's done boiling. The kettle's wide mouth makes cleaning easier than ever. Speaking of cleaning, it's recommended that you descale your kettle once a week to remove any mineral deposits that have built up inside the kettle. To do that, simply fill the kettle with 1 cup of distilled vinegar or lemon juice and 2 cups of water. Then boil the water and let it soak in the kettle for 2 hours. Pour the solution out and wipe the lime scale away with a cloth or non-abrasive sponge. After that, just rinse the kettle with clean water, dry it with soft cloth, and you're ready to start boiling again. The kettle is durably constructed with food-grade glass and a stainless steel lid and inner pot, so plastic never touches your water. For rapidly boiled water, safety measures, and durable construction, COSORI's electric glass kettle is the smart choice.
Let's be honest, getting out of bed is not the easiest job. You need something quick and convenient to get you going in the morning. Well, you're in luck, because COSORI's Gooseneck electric kettle is designed to do just that, and more. Choose from 5 different presets to get the right temperature for your drink of choice. Even if you're more of a tea drinker, the Gooseneck kettle has got you covered with its different tea options. Once you choose your temperature, you'll only have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes while the kettle boils your water. The kettle was made with quality materials. The interior is food-grade stainless steel with no plastic present whatsoever. This way, your drink will have that pure, clean taste you love. Once the water has finished boiling, you'll hear a beep to let you know it's ready. The Gooseneck design gives you effortless control over water flow, so pouring is precise and easier than ever. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to come back for more, just press the hold temp button and the kettle will remain its temperature for 60 minutes until you're ready for your next cup. Whether it's coffee or tea, COSORI's Gooseneck kettle has everything you need to start your morning off on the right foot.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart 1.7 liter electric kettle. It heats up really fast. It's 1500 watts of power, and it can go from a minimum of 0.5 liters all the way up to a maximum of 1.7. It's really great because you can heat up your water to use it for French press or even oatmeal, but most importantly, any type of hot beverage. When it's done, you just lift it off the base, take it to where you're going to go to serve, and you bring it back to the base. It's really simple and easy to use. It's all stainless steel. It has a button here that says open. You just press it and the kettle opens. This is really great when you take your kettle to the sink. It's just one touch operation. Inside, I'm just going to slide this up so you can see it. There's also a filter screen. And the most important part of this kettle is that it has what we call a hidden element. So the element is not directly exposed to the water that you put in the kettle. And that's really great, especially if you have high mineral content water. The minerals will not be attracted to the heating element, so it works really great and really efficiently. And you won't get any mineral buildup inside your kettle. So it's beautifully designed. It's so easy to operate. I'm just going to turn this around so you can see it. When I press it on, it turns blue right here where the water level marker is. So once you turn it on, it only takes minutes for your water to come to a boil. It's so convenient and easy to use. You can use it for hot water in the morning to make your oatmeal, your tea, your hot cocoa, or even if you need a little snack, some ramen soup. There you have it, the Cuisinart Cordless 1.7 liter electric kettle.